Last 5 years have been the best years in the biotech world, and why do I say that? Because things have finally started changing, moving, and revolution was seen. Actually, we thought revolution will be seen after CRISPR, that is back in 2012 and 13. But sadly, CRISPR also could not bring revolutionize how things got revolutionized after COVID pandemic. On one hand, people realized that we need better infrastructure, better fundings for the lab, better R&D for vaccines and virology. So this was all COVID's impact. But more than that, there was something more has happened in the last 5 years. ChatGPT, generative AI, LLM, large language models, and OpenAI Cloud, all of these have changed how industries operate now. So now both biotech and pharma industries are taking notice of this new change. Today, companies are innovating. They are moving towards self operated labs, just like self driving cars. So, because of this, five new types of jobs have come up, and these jobs are the future. And therefore, hiring has started already in this direction. So, as a pharma and biotech professional, it's important that you have to be ready for these kinds of job and the future. By the time you pass out, traditional jobs will be nowhere to be seen. So, the regular jobs which you see as research analyst, data analyst will not be there. But what will be then? Let's find out. So, number one job that will be in demand is AI drug discovery scientist. Finally, the scientist will start working from home. They need not go to the lab. They'll be training machine learning models. They'll be predicting molecule target binding. They will also be cutting years of drug discovery pipeline using Python and computational biology. The world is about to change, my dear friends, and you have to be ready. The next type of job you will see is bioprocess AI engineer. Somebody who's using digital twins and real time sensors to optimize fermentation and cell culture yields in biomanufacturing. So, bioprocess fundamentals will be required, but data analytics will be primary and super important. Synthetic biology will see as synthetic biology designers, engineers will be finally designing genetic circuits using AI design tools. Just think of computer aided design for DNA. Building everything from lab grown meats to biofuels, you will require molecular biology expertise and designing software's expertise. Followed by that, bioinformatics large language model specialist will be in demand. We will be looking at somebody who can build and fine tune large language models. Then, lab automation engineers will be in demand. Programs and robotic self driving labs that run experiments autonomously. So, prepare for the future and all the best. To like such more interesting content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.